Did you know that you can bring Google 3D Maps to Unreal Engine? And you can start to create your own simulations. You can go wherever you want in the world. And all the Unreal Engine tools are available for you, and you can use them freely. You can also bring your own assets into your levels. This is the first part of my tutorial series, and in this first part I will go through how to bring Google 3D Maps into Unreal Engine. Okay, let's get started. First thing to do is set up Unreal Engine for Cesium. You will find very good quick start guide from this address. First step is to install the Cesium plugin to Unreal Engine. So let's jump into the marketplace, Epic Launcher and Marketplace, and from here you will need to find a Cesium for Unreal plugin. This was Cesium for Unreal. So find it, then click the plugin and download the plugin and install it to your engine. After that, we can launch Unreal Engine. I will be using 5.3, and let's create new project by using games blank template and just click create. When project opens, you need to first enable the plugin. So go to edit plugins and find the Cesium plugin from the list and enable Cesium for Unreal plugin and restart your project. Okay, let's first create new level, file, new level, empty level, and create. I will save it right away, file, save current level, and I will give some name to my new level, my Cesium level, and save it. You will find the Cesium palette left side of the viewport. If it's missing, you can open it from the window menu, Window Cesium, and it will open the Cesium palette. From here we will first add Cesium Sound Sky to our level by clicking the plus symbol, and let's also add the dynamic pawn. Next step is to connect to Cesium Ion. So let's click it from here, connect to Cesium Ion, and there will be a browser window opening, and it will ask you to log into the Cesium Ion, and also you need to allow Unreal Engine to use this plugin. After successful login, we are able to use Cesium Ion assets. So what we are going to use is this one, Google photorealistic 3D tiles. So just by clicking add this to level, we will create new token for this first, and after that it will take a couple of seconds Google 3D tiles to load into your Unreal Engine level. You can use your AWSD keys to fly in your level, and you can also change the camera speed if you want to move faster. And also with your mouse wheel you can change the speed of the movement. All Google Map 3D photorealistic material is now included in your Unreal Engine level. It's amazing. And by changing the camera speed, you can start to investigate the whole wide world if you like. Flying through the globe. I want to go higher, so I will add some more camera speed now. So now I can fly to space if I want. If you get lost inside your world, you can always select the dynamic point from the outliner and click F to focus to your starting position. I will just drop my camera speed a bit. You can also try game mode, and it will start from the dynamic form position, and you can use AWSD keys to fly through the Google Map, and also with your middle mouse scroll wheel you can change the speed of the camera. Your position in the world is defined by Cesium georeference object. If you select it from outliner and go to details, you can see that there are coordinates defined here. If you want to change your location, you can just go to the Google Maps and pick any location from the map, and by right clicking you can get the coordinates of that position. You can copy paste the coordinates for Notepad and copy the first value. It will be the latitude value, and another one will be a longitude value. After you have copied the values, it will take a couple of seconds new tiles to load into your level. And now we are located Finland, Helsinki, and I can also reset my pawn location here to this same position here. So next time I start my game mode here, camera position will be locked here. And also you will find under the Cesium Sun Sky properties you can change the time zone, because now when we change to the other side of the world there was a different time zone and there was no sun available. Now I changed the time zone, and now it's a daytime. So from here I can use my AWSD keys, and I can also try the game mode and start flying through the Helsinki city. And with the mouse wheel you can change the speed of the movement. So this way you can add Google 3D material into your Unreal Engine level and go whatever place in the world you are interested. It's very easy. In my next video, I will show you how to add the third-person game mode into your level and how you can start to investigate your 3D world. I will also go through how to add a BIM model into your Cesium level. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to see my next videos. Bye.